So how to use the McDonald's app in store. So to use the McDonald's app in store, it's very simple. So once you've signed in, it should bring you to this page here. And to go ahead and use it in store, you'll just want to simply click on code right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on code, you should now be given a unique one-time 4-digit code. And this is the code that you will need to enter into the self-service kiosk at McDonald's. So there should be an option on the kiosk to enter this 4-digit PIN, and then once you've entered that 4-digit PIN, it should then sign you into your McDonald's account through the self-service kiosk. And then from there, you can then go ahead and place your McDonald's order, and you can use it to redeem rewards already on your account. And then once you've made your McDonald's order, you'll then be given points that will be credited to your account once you've checked out. So in general, at least for the UK, 1 point is 1 pence. So £1 would be worth 100 points. Again, that points format is just for the UK. So if you are from another country, it's always worth double checking to see how much points are worth. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.